Auto Bola fi ẹ̀sùn kan gbajúgbajà olórin Fuji Wasiu Ayinde Marshal. Ó ní ó gbalẹ̀ méjì lọ́wọ́ òun. Ó ní ilẹ̀ mẹ́rin ni òun ní. Ó ní wọ́n gba mẹ́ta. Ó ní Wasiu gba méjì. Ó ní ẹyọ̀kan tó kù ló ń si bàbá ọmọ òun sí. Ó ní kódà ó ní àwọn ẹmẹ̀wà Wasiu Ayinde wọ́n tún dúnkokò mọ́ òun pé àfi tóun bá lọ bẹ Wasiu Ayinde. Ó lóun ò dẹ̀ ṣetán láti lọ bẹ Wasiu Ayinde. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wá gbọ́rọ̀ tí Madam Auto Bola tí ó sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ó máa gbẹnu tán. Ẹ jẹ́ n gbé fọ́nrán ìwọlé kẹ́gbọ́n nǹkan tí ó sọ.
Ilẹ̀ mẹ́rin ni mo ní níjẹ̀bú-Òde. You collected the last two. Wasiu Ayinde collected it. And you be telling me to come and say sorry to who? Ẹni tí bá ṣe sorry àbí tó put the film ikú òṣìṣẹ́ pa ẹ́ dànù ni. I will not say sorry. I will not say sorry. All of you, you all need sorry. Like you have to apologize to me and return back whatever you are stealing from me. Or else, ìṣòro àti kó òjijì tó kù náà bí ọmọ máa gbé nípa ìdààmú tára lẹ́mi bá wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ́rẹ́ lẹ́mi, wọ́n máa ṣọ́kù pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ báyìí. Yàtọ̀ sí Sarah, ẹni bọ́ọ̀dì ni mo sọ. Tó bá dá sí ogun náà, tó pàwọ́pọ̀ láti dá ogun tì mí, ẹ máa kú pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́. Ikú òjijì ló máa parí. Okay, so today mo fẹ́ lọ straight kí n kọ́kọ́ lọ go straight to the point. Ìgbà tí mo dé kí tó dé before I came to Nigeria, I've given a notice to all the people living in my house. So and they accepted. The one in the front, I'm not the one that brought her to this place. So I told them that they should leave. She accepted. Even June, she's supposed to leave by June, but she said she's going to that she pay to the person on the July 9, which I believe, okay, no problem. You know, don't forget that I spent almost 3 months in hotel. I spent almost 3 months in hotel. It's because of whatever anybody have been dominating, collecting from me to get my thing back. That's why I wasted that time. I wasted that money. Okay? And people are asking you, are you not going back to Canada? This and that. I'm not ready to answer anybody. Because don't control me. I will answer to the people who are controlling me, who is helping me. So nobody is helping me right now. I don't have answer for that. So I waited patiently for these people. Over Komokonita, I want celebrity with condition of some celebrity. Talolori I want celebrity K1 mo fẹ́ fẹ́ jẹ́ ẹ̀sùn yín. Number 1 lẹ́ni mo ti gbẹ́nu kó lọ́rọ̀ K1. K1 have been working under net that ó sọ fún mi pé come out and say sorry. To who? After killing the father of my baby, they kill the father of my baby. They stole my money. Before I start talking, they start stealing from me. All my things, property they collected. Nothing. I reported to police, Nigeria police. Mo polika luku ti e ma ba. Tolika luku mo ran temi nisin náà. Iya àwọn náà nsin àwọn police go ran titi wọn. They will face everybody ló ń jẹ breakfast. You understand me? Torí ta bá ti sọ fáwọn èèyàn náà tí wọ́n bá ti gbọ́, oníkà luku máa jẹ breakfast ẹ. So, nothing being done, they told me to blogger. I left Nigeria. I left this house because of these people giving me trouble. And I traveled to America. From America to Canada. You understand me? So, because I want to avoid them. And I believe after some time, this thing, me, if I'm owing them, they should come out and tell me, so, cash agreement, I'm not owing any of them. Now, they be telling me, come out and come and apologize. So, who? Wasiu Ayinde's daughter abuse everybody. Even Sunday Igboho tí gbogbo èèyàn máa ń tó ń bẹ̀rù ní Nàìjíríà. Ó jáde, ó attack ẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe sí. Kò dẹ̀ say sorry. Wasiu Ayinde himself have been abusing the government, everybody in Nigeria. Kò tí jáde rí kó wá ṣe sorry for anybody. And Wasiu Ayinde stole 2 plots of land from me, apart from the money systematically. Tí wọ́n gbà and involved. Kì í ṣe pé mo ń tró torí because some people say you are throwing trash to people's name. They look for my trouble. They stole from me. Tó bá ti forí fọ́nà, wá gbọ́ ohùn ara ẹ̀. Tó bá dá orí jóná, ó máa gbọ́ ohùn ara ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, torí ohùn tí wọ́n máa mú jáde, ohùn ipò ń jóná ni. Ó ti yé, ẹni tó bá ti dá orí jóná, ó máa gbọ́ ohùn ara ẹ̀. I don't say anything since all this while, but all what is happening around me. Number 1, they said the celebrity. Wasiu is the olórí àwọn celebrity. The mad wèrè tó ń yọmí lẹ́nu òun ni, and I will never say sorry to any bullshit for stealing my money, killing the father of my baby, disturbing my life. All this why I will not say any sorry to any bastard. That's it. 1. And Nobody. I'm saying it authoritatively. Nobody, I said, nobody can force me to bow for bullshit. Whoever I don't want to bow for, nobody, I said, nobody can control me, can force me to bow for the bullshit. All right? Okay, that's two. So whatever happened around me, they say Wasiu Ayinde is the principal. So any other celebrate, the bad repent shiri. See over to be like come out of the media the way I mention your name. Tell your word that you are the one stopping me. Okay, if you are not a bad, you are not a coward. Okay? Now, I'm a Anita, that girl in the front of my shop is my shop. And if you put minimum sub in the shop, even that place is not shop. I used that place as my generator office before. Generator house before, but later I turned it to my shop and I used it as lo shop ne mo fi tasho, mo ta lace, mo ta karambe, mo ta provision be, mo ta rice, mo to oúnjẹ, kò sí nǹkan tí mi ò yàtọ̀ sí nǹkan tí ò dá tí mi ò ta nínú shop yẹn. Just for me to create myself, to make myself busy anytime things are not working the way I want. Do you understand me? Now I told these people to leave my house and they accepted. The first day when I came to Nigeria, when he said to me that she's going to leave by July 9. I said, okay, July 9 is not convenient, but I pay extra on that hotel. Go and check all the places I live. For that 3 months, I pay everything. I pay everybody. I'm not going there then. So, and the money I'm supposed to use for my house, for myself, also for me to use for business, even to sustain my life, to pay part of debt I'm going. They are using me just to get my thing, and they want life to be difficult for me. Wasiu Ayinde was involved in the land. I'm not ready to sell the land because that's the way the father of my baby was buried. I came just to see, to pay respect to the atonement. No, can pay respect to the 1, 2, and again, can defense the ram. I'm not ready to sell me Oshia later. And go to one leg, Moti, 2008, Nimotira, Ben. And all the data are in 2007, and 2003, Egba, you collected the last two. Wasiu Ayinde collected it. And you be telling me to come and say sorry to who? And if I say sorry, to put the film, you go to say I will not say sorry. I will not say sorry. All of you owe me sorry. Like you have to apologize to me and return back whatever you are stolen from me. Or else, ìṣòro àti kọ́ńtì tó kù náà bí ọmọ máa gbé nípa ìdààmú tára lẹ́mi bá wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ́rẹ́ lẹ́mi, wọ́n máa ṣọ́kù pẹ́ báyìí. Yàtọ̀ sí Sarah, ẹni pọ̀jù ni mo sọ. Tó bá dá sí ogun náà, tó pàwọ́pọ̀ láti dá ogun tì mí, ẹ máa kú pẹ́. Ikú òjijì ló máa pa yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, because mo ti ní sùúrù, mo dẹ̀ ti dúró láti ọjọ́ tí mo ti wà Nàìjíríà. I spend money, mi ò ta òbò, kò sẹ́ni tó fún mi. Owó ni mò ń ná. Ọjọ́ tí bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ tí mi ò jẹ́, mo wọ́n ni mò ń ná, mo dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí mo ti lose. And if I need patient for all this while, and you are still writing because ayé yìí ti bàjẹ́, ayé yìí yẹn máa bàjẹ́ last. I let you and I'm not dragging anybody. Anybody tó bá tún drag, tó bá tún disturb me, ikú máa pa ẹ́ tọmọtọmọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ, anybody ni mo sọ, tó bá tún dààmú ayé mi, àti wọn tó bá gbàṣẹ́, ó pa ẹ́ tọmọtọmọ. Tó bá ti bímọ. Àwọn tó bá súnmọ́ ẹ wọ́n máa parí pẹ̀lú ẹni lẹ́ẹ̀tọ́ kù pọ̀nù parí torí bẹ́ẹ̀ yàgò lọ́nà. Enough is enough of the bullshit. Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún one pastor Adebisi in this street. I called their name. All right, he came to come and beg that I should pardon this girl till August, that I should pardon. Ó yẹ kó kúrò nínú ilé ní July yẹn on the 9 ló yẹ kó tí bàbá tó kúrò tó ń gbé bí tó ti kúrò lẹ́yìn kó ti kúrò nínú ilé mi. Ó dẹ̀ lóun máa kúrò ní ending. Gbà tó ní ending, mo tún ní okay ending. Ó pẹ́ jù fẹ́ mi. Time is money. Time is going. You know, I have kì í ṣe pé time is money. When you are not working, you are not eating too. Pastor Adebisi lè wá. Ó ní pé kó bá bẹ̀, ó ní òun bá bẹ̀bẹ̀ sí August. Pé kí n jọ. Pastor yẹn wà níbí. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀, I'm not going to support anybody. I'm supporting myself and my daughter. And anybody who can speak against, I will speak against you. So far, about to concern me and mommy for well-being of myself and my daughter. Other baby, money pay me o bínú. Pé mo kàn fẹ́ renovate ilé yẹn ṣé bó ṣe rí ilé títí wọn kan tó ti kọ́ before tèmi sórí bó ṣe ṣe ilé yẹn ilé yìí sórí bí títí wọn ni wọ́n bà gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ because some idiot ní àdúgbò iná mo ń bọ̀ mi tíde some olórí burúkú ní àdúgbò iná wọ́n fẹ́ kó balẹ̀ jẹ́ kó disvalue ẹ̀ bó ṣe ni wọ́n máa assassinate mo ń bọ̀ mi tíde o mo máa dárúkọ àtàngọ̀dọ̀ mo ń bọ̀ mi tíde o mo dẹ̀ ní pé mi fẹ́ nítorí tẹ́ẹ̀mù mo gbọ́dọ̀ padà sí Canada. As a student, my daughter is a student. Only àwọn assignment kan tó yẹ kó ṣe gan. Ní ó tó jẹ́ pé face to face ló gbọ́dọ̀ lọ ṣe practicals yẹn. We have to go back to Canada. These people, they were begging me. And I said, okay. I started, I'm not paying no immigration. Okay, tí bá dúró tí time báyìí kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀. I was saving time for myself. You understand? Because of my daughter. So, ìgbà tó dẹ̀ yá mo ní mo wá sọ fún ọmọ mi mo ní wọ́n ní August okay. Aku ti wà ní Nigeria for the kini kan jẹ́ anísùfù tó tá bá ṣe kini sìn wọ́n lè ní pé ya ṣe ló ń try láti fi ọwọ́ lágbà lójú because they are looking for my trouble gbogbo ẹni tó wá ìṣòro fún mi ìṣòro máa dé bá ẹ ó máa gbé ẹ̀mí tọmọtọmọ ibi tó jókòó sí yẹn àlàáfíà dé bá ẹni ló ṣe rí tèmi gbọ́ ìṣòro tó máa jù ẹ́ lọ Ọlọ́run máa jù ẹ́ sí bó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tì mú mọ́lé Ọlọ́run á tì ẹ́ mọ́lé gbogbo tó fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi àti dọ́tà mi láyé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ.
Oògùn kan ti jáde tó yẹ kí gbogbo ènìyàn ó ní lọ́wọ́ ohun tájíṣafẹ́ bá polówó nígboro ojúlówó ni àwọn àjọ NAFDAC wọ́n fòǹtẹ̀lù wọn ló dára fún gbogbo ẹ̀dá ènìyàn ginger herbal extract ni mo fẹ́ ròyìn rẹ̀ fáráyé ojúlówó egbòogi tá a gbé kalẹ̀ fún wòsàn gbogbo ènìyàn pátápátá tó ṣe pé gbogbo kòkòrò inú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni ó pòórá iṣẹ́ tí ń ṣe lágọ̀ọ́ ara ó pọ̀ lápọ̀jù ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ díẹ̀ níbẹ̀ àwọn àìsàn bíi diabetes high blood pressure malaria headache hormonal imbalance infertility low sperm count kidney problems liver problems menstrual disorder fibroid, STD, stroke, gonorrhea, cancer, ulcer, chronic infection, staph infection, health problem, kójú ó mọ́ ṣú, káwẹ̀ tán nílé ìwẹ̀, kára ó mọ́ ta ni, gbogbo wọn ni ó dohun ìgbàgbé. Iṣẹ́ tí ń ṣe ó pọ̀ mi ò lè kà wọ́n tán, ìtún fọlé ọmọ, obìnrin kan ń bẹ tí ò rọ́mọ bí nígbà kan ó tó bí ọdún 4 òun pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀ wọ́n ti gbé ìbejì lọ́wọ́ ginger herbal extract ló lò egbòogi tó ṣiṣẹ́ jowú ẹ̀ lọ ni bó o lẹ ti lè rójú lówó oògùn ọ̀hún rà lówó tí ò ga jara lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjà ẹ fetí balẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ ẹ nílò láti pè wọ́n WhatsApp number tá a lè fi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ní Nàìjà rèé o 0803 499 6497 ẹ tún gbọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 0803 499 6497 US line tá a fi lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ rèé 646 617 1498 ẹ lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Facebook Ọdúnmayọ̀ Olúfẹ́mi Instagram account Ọdúnmayọ̀ Olúfẹ́mi náà ni bó jẹ́ TikTok lẹ́tí fẹ́ bá wọn pàdé orúkọ wọn ní kẹ́tẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ginger herbal extract amárayá gágágá awogbaàrùn ó lè fọwọ́ ẹ̀sọ̀ yàfáráyé ọjà tájíṣafẹ́ akéwì bá ń polówó ẹ̀ nígboro ojúlówó ni gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó nílò ìlera tó péye ginger herbal extract ni ó lò.